rocket launcher using a plastic bottle and toilet roll. Pet bottle, toilet roll, balloon, chopsticks. Wrap black tape around the plastic bottle. Cut the bottle in half using the tape as a guide. Cut the bottom part, 13 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide. Apply tape to the cut edge for safety. Cut the balloon in half. Cover the top of the bottle with the balloon and secure it with tape. Place the chopstick at the mouth of the balloon. Use tape to secure the top and bottom of the bottle. Cut colored paper to make the top of the rocket. Cut wings from colored paper and glue them to the roll. Glue the rocket's top to the toilet roll with a glue gun. Ta-da! It's done! Ready to launch? Pull the chopsticks down. And release.